So welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about functions. Introduction of a function. A function is a block of code that performs a specific task. Function helps in modular programming, code reusability, and code readability. There are majorly two types of functions. A library function, which is also called as predefined function, and the next one is user-defined function. The user-defined functions are the functions which are created by the user for performing a specific task depending upon the user. But whereas library functions are predefined functions, which can be included in the program by using an header files. Syntax of the function. Reader type, function name, and parameters are written in this parenthesis. And the body of the function is written in the curly braces. There are majorly three parts in the functions. In the function. Declaration, function calling, and a function definition. Function declaration. Function declaration tells the compiler about a function name, return type, and a parameter. Definition of a function contains the actual body of the function, and the body of the in the body of the function only we perform a specific operation, and the body of the function can be called by function calling. The function is called by its name followed by a parenthesis. Example: display parenthesis semicolon. Example program of a function. First, the function is declared using the return type, function name, and the parameters, which is int add, int a, comma int b. Now, three numbers, number 1, number 2, and the sum are declared in the main function. The user is asked to print two numbers for the addition program. Now, the two numbers are scanned and then stored in the compiler. Now, the function is called using the function name add. Now the compiler is redirected to the function definition int add, int a, comma int b, and the numbers number 1 and number 2 are stored in a and b respectively. The sum of the numbers a and b is done. The operation of the sum operation is done, and then the sum of both the values a and b is printed on the screen by using the function printf. Sum is equal to percentile d sum. At the last, return 0 as we have taken int main as a main function. In the function declaration informs the compiler about the function. The function definition contains the actual body of the code of the function. Function call executes the function from the main program. Output. For a sample run, if the two numbers are 7 and 5, the sum is printed as 2. The advantages of using a function: increases code reusability, improvability and maintainability, reduce redundancy, makes debugging easier. These are the function. Now we move on to conclusion. Program modular and help in breaking complex programs into smaller parts. Example: add function performs addition as a reusable block.